Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, yung peg natin yung mala-artistang glowy skin. And first, of course, do not forget your moisturizer. Before I put on my base, if i-fill in ko muna yung brows ko, here I'm just using my e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. Lahat ng shade na gagamitin ko today, ilalagay ko lang lahat sa description box below. And ito guys, ng technique na to, nakita ko to sa makeup artist ni Mariel Padilla. Minimix ko yung BB cream, yung essence ko na glowy primer, and then naglagay din ako ng Colourette Cosmetics liquid highlighter. Pero konting-konti lang naman, just to really add glow sa base natin. And then I mix all three together. And here, I'm just using my fingers to really press in the BB cream sa skin ko para mas seamless and para mas skin-like. And again, napanood ko lang to sa makeup artist ni Mariel Padilla. Kamay yung ginamit niya, kaya kinamay ko na rin. And I needed to correct my panda eyes kasi medyo dark talaga siya. So, I'm just gonna put a little bit of corrector. This is from LA Girl. And yung natira ko sa base ko kanina, yung BB cream, yun lang din yung ilalagay ko dyan sa under eyes ko to act as my concealer. Kasi ayoko yung super highlighted under eyes sa look na to kasi I want it to look natural lang. Done blending with my fingers, and now I go in with my brush to really make sure that everything is well blended. And then after blending, I realized that I needed to conceal a little bit more kasi napipeek through pa talaga yung dark circles ko. So here, I'm just using the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and then yung shade na pinili ko, pareho lang sa color ko, hindi yung 2 to 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. And then of course, I keep blending and blending and blending kasi yung pagbe-blend talaga ng base ko, yun yung very therapeutic for me. Let me know in the comment section below if ganun din ba yung nafe-feel nyo every time may problema kayo, and then when you're putting on your makeup, you feel better. And now to define my cheekbones, my cheeks, my nose, my forehead para lumit ng konti, I'm just using the Careline contour stick, my favorite contour stick from the drugstore or from our local brand there sa Philippines kasi very inexpensive pero sobrang ganda niya. Here, I just want to add a little bit of bronzer, so I'm using the e.l.f. Priner Infused Bronzer. Now, to set my concealer in place, hindi ko ipapowder yung buong mukha ko, yung concealer lang talaga and yung nasa mata ko. This is from AOA, yung pressed powder nila. So, I just got this in the mail. Pinadala to ng sister ko sa akin dito. Napadala kasi yung Colourette Cosmetics sa bahay namin sa Philippines, and then she sent it to me here. Ito yung ginamit ko sa mata ko. I thought it's not gonna blend kasi nga liquid siya, but it actually really blended pretty well. Pero mas blended siya tingnan pag kamay or fingers yung gagamitin. So after this, fingers naman yung ginamit ko sa pag-blend para talaga mas seamless siya. I actually just mixed two colors, and then yung shade, ilalagay ko lang sa description box below. So, kung ano yung nilagay ko sa mata ko kanina, yun lang din yung nilalagay ko sa cheeks ko ngayon. Pareho lang din, nag-mix ako ng dalawang colors. And again, I'll just put the shade name on the description box below. I think they changed the formula. I'm not sure. Kasi kung i-compare ko tong formula na to sa old formula nila, mas better talaga to. for my highlighter, guys, I'm gonna use this one from Colourette pa rin. I think they call it Shimmer Tint, and super gustong-gusto ko yung mga shimmer tints nila. I love the formula kasi it doesn't have chunky glitters. It's just really glowy and beautiful. Para lang mas set yung liquid highlighter, maglalagay ako ng konting powder highlighter. This is from Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Golden Flower Crown. So, the Golden Flower Crown highlighter from Wet n Wild, yun lang din yung nilalagay ko sa inner corners ko. And then, wag kayong magtaka kung bakit humaba na yung lashes ko kasi naglagay ako ng individual lashes. Medyo pain in the butt ilagay. It took me forever to put them on, pero maganda siya kasi natural lang tingnan. One of my favorite blushes na nag-add ng sheen sa skin, this is from Maybelline. I'll just put the shade name on the description box below. This is not a matte blush. Ginagawa ko tong blush topper to add glow. Kung ano yung minix ko sa eyes ko and sa cheeks ko, yun lang din yung ilalagay ko sa lips ko. So, I'll put it all over my lips, and then I'll take a darker shade. That's a deep red color from Colourette pa rin. I promise this is not sponsored by Colourette. Gustong-gusto ko lang talaga yung products nila. Ilalagay ko siya sa gitna para ombre siya. And then I'll top it off with a gloss from Colourpop. I really, really love this gloss, and medyo na-addict na ako sa glossy lips. It looks really jutesy and glossy. I love it so much. Isa-set ko lang yung face ko, and we are done. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and may your brow game be as strong as your coffee today. Love you.